Hey there, I'm Kuli from Cadutator, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. Today we're going to go over plot styles. So, have you ever worked on a project in which somebody you're working in a project with someone and they have a different plot style? Instead of using the typical plot styles, or instead of them just using a monochrome or a color, they use their specific plot styles, and then become a pain in the ass when you're actually trying to plot something or print something so it looks great, but then it looks ugly because you don't have their plot styles. So today I'm going to show you how to install someone else's plot style onto your own computer so it doesn't become difficult. So here I'm looking at a project I've been doing a while ago. I'm just trying to play with shipping containers. I'm really into sustainability. So let's say, for example, I want to plot this. Control P, in case you didn't know, previous plot. So let's say I wanted to use RBD. Window, plot, preview. I have to wait a bit and see, that's my plot on an 8.5 by 11, right? But if I wanted to, my escape is not working. If I wanted to change it to Architecture, see, it's more different than the one it was before, right? So I'm gonna go back. If I wanted to change it to just the normal ACAD, that's how it would look. So let's say someone sent me one and I have to use it, right? In case I don't know where it is, because it's kind of difficult to figure out where it is, right? So let's say, for example, somebody sent me one and it's called new plot style. I wanted to put new plot style here, but of course when I go Control P, I can't find it. I only have these. So what I'll do is I'll type in StylesManager, and voila, it will automatically open the plot folder where all your plotters are. So it will go like this usually, and then you have all the different plot styles. So if I wanted to move it from the place that someone sent it to, Control C, I'll come here, Control V, yes, continue, and there it is right there. So if I go back to Autocad and Control P, it should be there. See, new plot style, yes, previous plot, new plot style, yes, preview, and that's how it is. So any plot style anyone gives you and you don't know where to put it, this is how to do it. Or if you don't even know where all your plot styles are, the ones you created, typing in StylesManager will open the folder, and then you can take that file from there and mail it out. Hopefully that is good. Hopefully it's not too long for what it is. But anyways, if you have any questions, if you have any other tutorials you'd like me to go over, please don't hesitate to send to comment down below. Please don't hesitate to like this, because when you like it, YouTube shows it to other people and it's at no cost to you, but it helps me. Anyways, hope you guys have an awesome day. Take care. Bye.